During preparation, don't you think it's a constant challenge to stay motivated and focused throughout the year? How do you manage? How can we manage? Because one of the key elements in succeeding is consistency. So how do you achieve this consistency? How do you perform on a consistent basis day to day, week by week, month by month? So what is that factor which enables you to perform consistently? Obviously, it's going to be motivation. In specific, intrinsic motivation, because the moment you come across an inspiring video, any person who is interacting with you, you might feel motivated. But that's only a temporary phenomena. All kind of extrinsic motivation is a temporary phenomena. You might be under the influence for only a specific amount of time or specific period of time, but what next? Intrinsic motivation, what motivates you deep inside is the key to maintain consistency. So how do you maintain this intrinsic motivation? So you can have your own method. We can follow our own customized methods. But one method which I found out to be very effective is by assuming yourself to be the topper in the coming entrance. So how would that feeling be? Just imagine. How would your parents feel? How would your family feel? How would your friends take it? And most importantly, how would you feel? Isn't that exciting? Isn't that exciting to assume that you're the topper in the coming entrance? So that's how I used to motivate myself during my preparation. And it worked out. I'm sure it will work out. Because believing in self is the key. Maintaining consistency is the key. And the background effect or the background factor which is essential to maintain this consistency is the right intrinsic motivation. And it's not just about assuming things, imagining things, but actually putting it on paper. That's the reason why we have given a dummy rank card to all our students. Even it's available for you. You can download it from general section of our e-classes, wherein the rank will be fixed. NEET MDS 2019, the rank will be fixed in the rank card. And only thing you have to do is just write down your name, download it, and paste it in an area of your choice, so that it will be accessible and visible to you every time, every day. So that's how you can actually motivate yourself. You can have your own customized method, but one method which I found it to be very, very effective is imagining myself to be the topper in the coming entrance. I'm sure it helps.